Hello, in this video I'll show you different ways to work with collision in Godot. Let's export a simple model to Godot. In Blender, select the mesh, press Alt-G, then go to File, Export GLB. Enable selected objects. Click Export. If we import this mesh into Godot, we'll see that it has no collision. So let's add one. Go back to Blender and now we'll use suffixes in the mesh names. Export each mesh, keeping its original name, and add in the appropriate suffix. Now switch to Godot and import the meshes. The suffix call uses the mesh geometry itself as collision. This is useful for simple and lightweight geometry. The suffix conv call creates a convex collision shape. This is useful for rounded meshes without holes or concave areas. The suffix call only allows you to export custom collision geometry created in Blender using simple shapes. This is useful when you want full control over the collision shape. Godot automatically detects collision based on the suffix in the mesh name. So, simple shapes are the fastest solution. Convex is the most universal option. Custom collision from Blender gives you full control. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.